Today I'm going to review this little mini welder, and by mini welder I mean that's me hand. This is the tiniest welder I've ever seen. I got it because I'm trying to do some welding on this this tricycle I'm making, but because it has bike tubes in it, it burns through really quick on my regular welder, my regular stick welder, and the wire feed welder does not do a very good job. So we're going to try this one out. Now what's it got? On the back here it's got a little switch. As you can see, there's got a fan there, you can hear that running. You know, nothing on the other side. This adjusts your output amps. That's your two electrodes there. One's positive, one's negative. Now it turns out that this readout here is actually only about half of what it says. That says 211 amps, I'll say it might be 80 or 90 amps. On there's a little green light there. That lights up when it's overheated. When the welder gets too hot, that lights up and the thing quits welding, which is a good safety, I would say. Only thing about this welder is the input wire is 240 volts. It's only about 15 amps, but you need 240 volts. Luckily, my inverter card does have a 240 volt output. So that's what's happening with that now. If you turn this over, it gives information which you can actually, you can stop the video if you want to see exactly what it says. Hop on. Okay, where are we at there? Okay, that's what it's saying. It tells you, you know, what is going on, what your feeds are, the frequency, and this is a ZX7-250, which is supposed to be 250 amps, but I guess it ain't. No, it's not even 100. But that's okay. I'm going to do some welding on this support. I'm making a wood stove, and I'm using all these old drill bits that got blunt over the years, and I'm trying to stick them all together so that they can support me wood stove, which is just over here. It's upside down. I've just painted it. I'm waiting for it to dry and stuff, and it's upside down so that stand will fit on there somehow. Well, this welder has passed the test. It did all the welding, it's not welded all that stuff. Great, did a great job, good job, Minleaf.